Hi guys, you're welcome back to Damsey Fashion. We say thank you to all our subscribers, and if you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful spiral rose sleeve. What we need here is our basic pattern measurement. I have my shoulder to elbow and the full length, that's the sleeve length. Then here, I already cut out my shoulder to elbow measurement. Remember, this side is on fold. That means you have to fold this before you open. So having this at side, I take this away. Then I have my fabric here. Then my paper tape, or you have any sellotape. The first thing we need is another pattern paper. You are going to fold it diagonally. When we say diagonally, it means we have four edges of this paper. You take one edge, then you take another edge and fold to the other edge, and it makes it this way, just like the way they used to do kites. So that's diagonally. So after folding this way, you are going to take our already patterned sleeve, place it on it like this. So what we are going to do is to take the measurement and measure it out. So guys, from here to here, I marked 17 inches, as you can see. Then I am going to place my paper tape on this. So after gumming this, I'm going to trace this out and I'll cut it out. So guys, after cutting, this is what I have left. Then I'm going to take my fabric and place on it. So guys, you're going to fold your fabric diagonally as well, the way we folded our paper, so that you place it this way, then you pin it out. That pin, you trim it out, but please remember to add your sewing allowances to the sides when you are pinning it on it. When you're cutting, add your sewing allowance. Then I remove my pin. The next thing is for us to see how it is. See it unfold, so remember it should be that way. Then the next thing is for us to sew out the sides, that's the middle. I'm going to mark it down, so you see this line down, then down this way, you sew it ½ inch. So after sewing, the next thing we are going to do is that you open it up. As you can see, the way I open it up, then you use your hand to take it through the tiniest place. It will give you a rose shape already, as you can see it. So the next thing after this is to get the sleeve in which we have already cut before, reaching the elbow, we place it on it so that we can create our rose design on it. We are going to pin the center notching together, then use the machine to sew around it. So after doing that, you are going to bring back the rose from the middle point, then you pin it to the middle of the sleeve, then use your hand to create out the rose shape as desired. You are going to be creative doing this. You pin it gently. Be patient while doing this. You create the form. You can see the way I'm using my hands to do this. So guys, after doing this, you are going to use needle and thread to tack down the rows. You're going to tack them down so that it will be in place and it will not fall apart when wearing it. So guys, that's that about that. Just make sure you tack it all around the bow side of the sleeve. That's the rose. Tack it around the rose and it will come out very nice. So guys, I'm going to show you the end result of how it looks like after doing all my tackings and my tackings. So guys, this is our rose sleeve. So lovely. Thanks for watching. If you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.